And so we'll come into Supta Baddha Konasana, the reclined goddess or reclined coupler's pose. And you can obviously do it in many different ways, but since you have belts, I'll show with the belt, but you could have feet together, knees apart, having blocks underneath. We've done variations where we've been using other support. And you can still use the blocks or still use cushions. But otherwise, we can take the belt around our sacrum, so really the lower part of the back. I'll just unhook this one. So really behind us. And then having the belt to the inside of our legs, we can then take one belt just to the outside of the top of our feet. And then we can put the belt together again, so hooking the belt in, so making that circle again. So the belt is to this side of the feet, little toe sides of the what would be the top, not the soles of the feet. The belt is in the inside of your legs, and the lower part of the back. So now as we sit up, you want it firm but not too tight, because as soon as we lie down, it's going to be tighter. So make sure if you have a metal bit, or even if it's a plastic bit on your belt, or even if you make a knot with a scarf, that it's not like your inner thigh on your ankle. But you want it to be so it doesn't move. And then you can lie down, and then you can tighten it or make it looser. You can still have support underneath your thighs. This is just a nice way to keep the soles of the feet together. So feel free to we'll stay here for, maybe 2 minutes or so. So make sure that it feels good in the body. So feel free to use other props as well.